Guys, so as you can see, I'm taking a walk again. Wearing my $4 glasses that I got in. I got them in, dang it, what was that place called? Gulf Shores. I got them in Gulf Shores, that's right. So yeah, wearing my cheap old glasses, and it's kind of windy, so I don't know if you can hear me. But this morning I woke up and I had the strangest craving, I guess. It sounds weird to say craving, but that's what it is. For some reason I really want Mexican food, specifically guacamole. I don't know why, but now I'm walking to Kroger because I'm gonna buy some. And I'm just I'm without reason, I'm unreasonably excited about this. I shouldn't be so excited, but for some reason, I'm getting some guacamole. I'm really pumped about this. I can't explain it, I don't know why. But that's my deal right now. That's what I'm doing. It was a little bit hotter out there today than I thought it was gonna be, so I probably look a little bit sweaty. But here it is. Here's the guacamole. Came in a little tub thing, and I'm about to try it. This is a big deal because, like I said, I've been craving this all day, and this is supposedly really good guacamole. This is the one that they made in the store. Oh yeah, look at that, guac. I'm gonna get chips. All right, going in. Get some of that. Let's try this. That is good. Wow. I'm glad I bought this. This is really good. Alright, my craving's satisfied. I'm done. See you later. I definitely thought I turned the camera off right there. Apparently I missed the button. This is awkward. Yeah. Alright, so, whoa. She wasn't kidding. Lightning storm going on right now. It was hail earlier, but now it's just straight up lightning all over the sky. How cool does this look? Oh man.
Come on this side because there's a lot over here too.
There is? Yeah. Texas weather, right?
Whoa, that was a good one. Oh.
Whoa! You said that was a good one. Very good when this is gonna get struck. That was a good one. Saw some over here earlier.
Yeah. There's an entire sky, man.
Yeah. Every time I move, it's like... It's always going off over here. It doesn't go. It doesn't go 10 seconds without going off over here.
Let's try on this side again.
Whoa. Yeah, that was cool.
Whoa. Amazing.
got that. That was cool.
It's amazing. Without those clouds, it just be
Yeah.
down below it too. My goodness.
Yeah.
But no rain.
Nope, no rain. Just lightning.
No thunder. I guess there's some thunder.
Anyway, I guess I've filmed enough of the lightning for you guys. It's just Texas weather does this sometimes. It was like hailing earlier, just cause, and then it stopped within like 2 minutes, and now it's just lightning all over the place. You can probably still see it behind me. So I pretty much just filmed like 5 minutes of a lightning storm. But hey, you know, it's cool footage, I guess. So I hope you guys enjoy the power of nature when you watch this lightning storm. It's going nuts out there.